just show me the sign, I'd walk my bike.
There's not a sign.
You said there was.
There's a sign at the beginning of the boardwalk.
Show
and
me
at
the
beginning.
sign. I'll walk up there with you.
You were failing to do that.
No, I'll walk it right now.
It's too late for that.
Oh, okay. I asked. That's what I said.
A man riding an e-bike on the Coronado Boardwalk is stopped by police for violating a municipal code that bans motorized bikes in certain areas. The officer asks for his ID, but the rider refuses, arguing that it's just an infraction and not a crime. Tension grows as more officers and even a supervisor arrive, with the rider insisting he doesn't need to show ID, while officers explain they can't issue a citation without it. What do you think about this story? Watch the full video and share your thoughts in the comments.
Hello. I'm Officer Sandoval with Coronado Police Department. The reason I stopped you is for a municipal code violation for e-bikes or anything electric not allowed on the boardwalk. Please provide me with your ID.
Don't have to show you my ID.
Okay, so I have an officer en route.
Okay.
And
I know the law.
Yeah.
I don't have
and
to show you
too.
my ID.
You do.
No, I don't.
No, you do.
We'll see.
You're not free to go. So
We'll see.
please do not move.
Am I detained?
Yes, you are.
For what?
Municipal code violation.
What's the violation?
I believe it
What's
is
the number?
56.30.
You believe? Show me it. Show me the violation.
So, it is municipal code violation.
What
I
is?
can pull
You
it up
keep
right
saying that over. Show me it.
I can read it off to you exactly as it says.
No.
What do you mean no?
If you just show me the sign, I'd walk my bike.
There's not a sign.
You said there was.
There's a sign at the beginning of the boardwalk.
Show
and
me
at the
the
beginning.
sign. I'll walk up there with you.
You were failing to do that.
No, I'll walk it right now.
It's too late for that.
Oh, okay. I asked. That's what I said.
Yeah, and you said you wanted to see it, and I just like,
I
hey,
wanted
yeah,
to see
please
it.
walk it, and you didn't want
No,
to.
you said there. I don't have to show you the sign.
I don't. You
Why?
just
You're
have
the
to
one
read the
saying
signs
I'm
when
doing
you're
something.
entering. It is your responsibility.
No.
56.18.050.
Let me see it. What's it say? Read it.
Subsection B. It is
Subsection. No, start at the beginning.
I'm not going to read the entire thing.
Why?
It is prohibited to operate or ride on a motorized mobility device
A motorized mobility
in the
device.
following areas of the city. Operators and riders must dismount and walk their motorized mobility devices within these areas, or operate or ride them on an adjacent or nearby roadway. And those areas are 1. All city sidewalks, 2. The Paseo at the Hotel del Coronado, here, 3. The Boardwalk at the Coronado Shores, and 4. The Promenade along Glorieta Bay Marina.
We'll talk to your... Teresa, you don't even know if there is a sign. I'll walk up and look at it.
Yeah, so it's too late. So I
Too
need
late.
to see your
No.
ID.
No, you're not getting my ID.
Yeah, so I have an officer en route.
That's fine.
Force
Is that
you
your
to.
supervisor? Let me talk to your supervisor. Bring him.
Subject is now requesting a supervisor as well.
Yep. Better things to do than this.
Oh no, this is my job. I'm actually assigned to bike patrol.
Well, you better learn your law better.
Oh, that's nice.
You can't detain me.
Yeah, I
No,
can.
you can't.
I can.
You can't.
So there is actually an
You
exemption.
can ride your bike?
Yes, I can.
Okay.
There's an exemption saying I, as
You're
an
making
officer.
a big deal out of nothing.
No, I'm not.
Yeah, you are.
You are.
You are. That's why you're on a bicycle.
Hey, Mark, stop.
Hello.
All he asked was to see the sign when you came up.
And I was asking him to walk over there to look
You
at
did
it.
not say. You said no. I don't have
can.
to show you the sign.
Hello.
Uh,
May I help you?
oh, I just had a question about that boat. You know what that thing is? It's like a road going up to the sky.
Honestly, I have no idea about that boat. It wasn't there yesterday, so
So am I detained or am I free to go?
you're detained.
Okay, what crime did I commit?
I literally just read off the municipal code. It's a municipal code violation.
Not showing my ID?
No, the violation of having an e-bike on the boardwalk, and then I requested to see your ID.
I didn't commit a crime. What crime did I commit?
I'll be on the boardwalk in front of the beach villas, closer to Ocean Boulevard.
What crime did I commit?
Having an e-bike, a motorized mobility device, on the boardwalk.
Okay,
Is that a misdemeanor or
An infraction.
a felony?
An infraction.
Then I don't have to show you ID.
You do.
No, I don't.
You do.
Okay, we'll see.
Do not move. You are detained.
The dogs are dying in the heat, Mark.
I don't care.
I do.
Take them with you then.
I can't take them. They don't fit my bike.
Just
It's
go
like
away.
a half a road.
I'll figure it out.
It's like ridiculous.
Here's a bicycle.
That's not an e-bike though.
Ooh, okay.
And unfortunately, I'm already dealing with this.
You know, if we were pedaling, that still couldn't.
The fact alone that it is an e-bike is what's outlawed.
About.
Back in January. Hello, can I have you walk it? E-bikes are not allowed on the sidewalk. Nope. I need you to walk it. Thank you.
Did you see the sign, sir?
No, I didn't.
I didn't either.
We come
Shut
by
up.
here like
The big
in a
signs.
year and
Yeah.
a half.
See? And he even said that. There's big signs at the beginning.
We just missed the sign. I mean, obviously, there's a lot to look at, and some people are gonna miss the sign. Mark, where's the water bill for the
Back there, underneath.
Take it out.
Why don't you write me a ticket?
I need your ID.
Why don't you write me a ticket?
I
And we'll,
need your
we'll
ID.
fight it in court.
Sure.
Go ahead. Write me a ticket.
I need your ID.
No, you don't.
Yes, you do.
No, you don't.
So I'm just giving a ticket to the air.
Give me a ticket.
Move up to the shades with the dogs
Yeah,
in
we're
the
moving
sun.
up the shade, please.
Sure.
Go up a little bit more. Is this the supervisor or who's this?
Yep, acting full. Hello. So, gentleman was stopped for having an e-bike on the sidewalk. He refuses to get off and he refuses to ID you.
I said I'd get off. Just not on my ID. I didn't commit a crime.
Well, there's a
Do I have to
municipal
show
code
ID?
Yeah, because there's a Coronado Municipal Code violation saying that you can't ride your e-bikes here.
Yeah.
So he's detaining you for the violation of riding your e-bike.
So I'm
he just
detained.
needs your
Am I
Yes.
detained?
correct because you're committing a
Am I under
violation
arrest?
of the municipal.
Am I under arrest?
I did not say arrested. So
So
he
why
has
do
to
I-
figure out who
Missed
you
the
are.
sign. We just missed the sign, and we stopped when he came up on us. Not, it's not that
I
big
said,
a deal,
show me
but
the sign. He said, no. I don't have to show you the sign. I said, I'll walk to the sign with you. He said, no.
Okay.
I got it right on camera.
And I asked you to walk over there.
You want to see the footage?
So,
We just want to go.
please, your ID.
Okay. So can we get your ID so we know who we're talking
No.
to?
Why should I show my ID? I didn't commit a crime.
Like I said, there's a Coronado Municipal Code
Is that a
violation,
misdemeanor or a felony?
infraction.
Infraction? I have to show
we
ID on
will
an infraction?
abide by it because we're not saying he's not going to abide by it. We just
So we're
why
asking
do we
to
have to do an
identify
ID?
you because we need to know who we're talking to, and then we can issue a citation for this.
Issue me a citation. No, you don't.
But how would we issue? How does the
I don't know unless I committed a crime. Am I under arrest?
get arrested?
Okay,
Detained,
then
we
I
have
don't,
to
then you
figure
can't
out
get
who
my
we're
ID unless
talking
I'm under arrest.
to.
Okay.
Just give him your damn ID so we can go.
At that point, it's pretty easy.
It's
I
You
know
get a
the law
warning
though.
or-
I
I
know
was
the
going
law.
to be a warning, but then
It
he
was
was
going to be a warning.
It's not that big of a deal. Just give him your ID so we can go on with our day instead of wasting our day doing
It's not right. Nothing better to do.
In the end, the back and forth continues with officers asking for ID so they can simply issue a warning or citation, while the rider refuses, saying he's done nothing criminal. The situation drags on with no resolution, leaving both sides frustrated. The officers just want to move things along, but the rider stands his ground, repeating that unless he's under arrest, he won't hand over his ID. The video closes with the standoff unresolved, highlighting the clash between personal rights and local rules. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more real stories that matter.